Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. So in this video, we're going to discuss Leetcode problem of the day, and today's problem is redistribute characters to make all strings equal, and it is an easy level problem. So the problem says that we have been given an array of strings, and in one operation we can select any two indices I and j and take any character from the word at position I and put it at any position j, right, in any position at the word at position j. So basically what I'm trying to say is, like, I believe I made it a little bit complex, but let me just tell you by explaining here. So you see that there are multiple words like this, right? So if I want, I can take this particular a and place it here. So this a will be removed from here and a will occur here, right? Now the final words will be like these. We have to tell whether it is possible to make all the words equal or not. So the first word is ABC, the second word is ABC, the third word is ABC, right? So here we were able to do it in one operation. We don't have to specify the number of operations, we just have to tell whether it is possible or not, right? So basically you can take any character and place it anywhere in this particular problem. Now if you have so much freedom, then you would always be able to form the answer if only one of the conditions is satisfied, and that condition is if I have any particular character, right? So if there are, let's say, n words, if I have a character, it should be present in multiples of n. Why multiples of n? Let's say I have 3 words, right? So for the first word I have a character a. Now in order to make all the words equal, an a should be present here as well an a should be present here. So if only 2 a's were present, the third word will never have an a, right? So in order for it to have an a, the third word or the third a should also be present. So you see there were 3 words and the frequency of a is 3. Now let's say this one had another a. Now the frequency of a cannot be 4, cannot be 5. In this case it is 4. So it is not possible to provide a to these two characters, to these two words. Now in case it was 5, let's say 5, then I would have put an a here, but this one is still alone, right? Now if the frequency is 6, I can have a in all 3 of them, right? So you see the first frequency was 3 and now we have 6. So it is all multiples of 3, right? That means for each of the words or each of the characters in all of the strings, their frequency should be divisible by the number of words that you have. Only then you will be able to make a successful distribution, right? So this is the whole idea of this problem. Let me show you my code. So you see I've created a frequency vector of size 26. Now I'm just traversing through all the words and the current word is I, and I'm just traversing through all the characters of the current word I, right? Now I increment the frequency of the current character. So I've initialized my OK variable with 1, right? And I just go through all the 26 characters in the English alphabet and I set my OK as OK and something. So what is the something? Let us understand. So first of all, look inside the brackets. It is f of I modulo words dot size, right? So if f of I is divisible by words dot size, it is going to give me 0. Otherwise, it is going to give me a non-zero value, right? So if it is divisible like 6 mod 3, it will give me 0, right? Otherwise, let's say 4 mod 3, it is going to give me a non-zero value. In this case it is 1, right? So I want my condition to be false. In this case I don't want this, I want this, right? So that is why I have put a not in front of it, because I wanted this 0 value and not this non-zero value, right? So whenever this is 0, this expression will be false, and that combined with this particular not operator will make the whole expression true, right? If this value is non-zero, this whole expression will be true, and that combined with this not operator will make the whole expression false. And I'm taking its logical AND with this OK variable. So even if one of the characters does satisfy the conditions, this whole OK variable will be 0 and will return that particular variable at the end, right? So let me just quickly submit this and show you that this particular code works. So you see it passes all the test cases and this solution is absolutely correct. I hope that you guys were able to understand the solution. If you guys did, then consider dropping a like on this video and don't forget to share thoughts in the comments, because your engagement with this particular video really helps the YouTube algorithm to understand that this video is actually helpful for you and it will be able to reach much more people like you who want to keep solving new problems. So that is it for today. Till the next video drops, keep coding, stay safe, bye bye.